Hi, I'm Reese.
Hi, I'm Zoe.
Today we're going to be making ʻulu pasta.
And here are some reasons why you should use ʻulu flour instead of all-purpose flour.
ʻulu flour is more food secure for our island. Food security is having nutritious food available at all times, locally produced to our island.
And if you have celiac disease, you can use ʻulu flour because it's gluten-free and more safe. The difference is working with ʻulu over all-purpose flour is you have to handle it more carefully because it's more brittle.
My favorite reason of using ʻulu flour is you don't need to rest. It doesn't need to rest, and that's good for me because I'm very impatient. Ingredients for this recipe include 2/3 cup ʻulu flour, 1/2 teaspoon xanthan gum,
1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2 medium eggs.
Mix flour, xanthan gum, and salt in one bowl.
Crack eggs into a cup and stir with a fork.
In a bowl, make a well in the center of your flour, xanthan gum, and salt, and add eggs, mix, and begin to work into the dough.
Leave 2 to 3 minutes to ensure even distribution of ingredients. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes, drain, and serve immediately.